Grok 4 is the #1 AI in the world. Google's Python library makes your life 10 times easier, and Mistral's newest coding models are here. Hey everyone, this is Eric from Firecrawl, and in this video, I'll be taking you through everything that has happened in the world of AI in the last few days. Let's begin with some of the biggest updates of the week. xAI just launched Grok 4 and Grok 4 Heavy, and they're calling it the most intelligent model in the world. Grok 4 is a single agent model built for deep reasoning, and Grok 4 Heavy takes things to the next level by running multiple agents in parallel. This multi-agent setup is at the heart of the new Super Grok Heavy tier, available for $300 per month, and is aimed at users who need the sharpest, most reliable AI for research, finance, or technical modeling. What really stands out is how Grok 4 Heavy brings frontier intelligence into real-world use, tackling open-ended, high-stakes problems where multiple lines of reasoning and checks are critical. The technical leap comes from scaling up reinforcement learning using xAI's 200,000 GPU Colossus cluster and introducing RLVR, that is reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards. To put it simply, RLVR is like teaching the model with rewards when it's right and corrections when it's wrong, ensuring it learns to reason, verify, and self-correct. For me, the most impressive part is the native tool use. Grok 4 can run code, browse the web, and pull in real-time data, making it a true research assistant, not just a chatbot. The context window is massive, up to 256,000 tokens via API. It can handle huge documents, code bases, or conversations in one go. And with the Grok 4 API, developers and enterprises get direct access to all these advanced capabilities, including a fast, upgraded voice mode that supports natural conversation, multiple voices, and real-time captions for accessibility. On benchmarks, Grok 4 Heavy is setting new records. It scored over 50% on humanity's last exam, more than double the best prior tool-free models, and 15.9% on the notoriously tough ARC AGI-V2, again, almost 2 times better than the previous best. Next up, Google Research just unveiled T5 Gemma, a next-gen encoder-decoder LLM built by adapting Gemma to decoder-only weights. T5 Gemma comes in a range of sizes, from balanced setups like 2 billion parameters for both the encoder and decoder, all the way up to 9 billion for each. And you can also mix things up, such as pairing a large 9 billion parameter encoder with a smaller 2 billion parameter decoder, letting you fine-tune for speed or accuracy based on your needs. T5 Gemma nearly dominates the quality efficiency frontier on SuperGLUE and GSM 8000, and in latency tests, the largest 9 billion parameter model outperformed Gemma 2 on math reasoning while matching its speed. T5 Gemma's adaptive sparsity and its standout gem attention mechanism lets the model focus on different parts of the input sequence at once for richer context and more accurate results. This flexibility makes it ideal for enterprise search, customer support automation, report generation, and scientific literature review. Moving on to Gen AI processors, just released by Google DeepMind, which is an open source Python library that lets you build AI pipelines by treating all data, text, audio, and images as streams of processor parts you can chain together with a simple plus operator. Processor part is essentially a standardized data chunk like a text snippet, audio segment, or image frame bundled with metadata flowing asynchronously through your pipeline. The result is a huge drop in time to first token and much simpler, more maintainable code for real-time agents and Gen AI workflows. With adapters for LangChain, Ray, Fast API, and built-in Gemini Live API support, Gen AI processors are perfect for anyone building responsive, low-latency multi-model applications. Finally, Mistral AI just dropped Devstral Small 1.1 and Devstral Medium 25.07, 2 models built for real-world coding agents. Devstral Small 1.1, with 24 billion parameters and an Apache 2.0 license, sets a new state-of-the-art benchmark, scoring 53.6% on SWE Bench, a tough benchmark that tests an AI's ability to fix real bugs in popular Python repos. It comes with built-in function calling and XML support, making it easy to integrate into coding workflows. Devstral Medium 25.07 pushes things further, hitting 61.6% on SWE Bench, and is available via API at $0.4 per 1,000 input and $2 per 1,000 output tokens, about 75% cheaper than Gemini 2.5 Pro or GPT 4.1. I tried Devstral Medium on code completion tasks and was impressed by the sub 200 millisecond latency and reliable, high quality outputs. These models offer top tier coding performance and flexibility at a fraction of the usual cost. And that was this week's Roundup. For more developer tools and detailed hands-on tutorials, don't forget to check out the Firecrawl blog, and I'll be back again with bigger updates, breakdowns, and tools that you should actually care about next week. Until then, keep building, keep shipping, and don't forget to hit subscribe.